I can already hear the comment section, and I haven't even posted the video yet. Dude, you're acting like a female reproductive part. Grab hold of that thing and lift it like a man.
I wonder if I can say that on here. Guess we'll find out.
Here I was hoping to be dad of the year. This little tractor I have here for the kids is getting a little tired, so I thought I would upgrade the battery. And of course, everything in life worth doing is worth overdoing, so let's hit it with a DeWalt battery. I personally know I would have loved having something like this when I was a kid. However, this daily tip has to come with an asterisk. Now, this thing is no longer a tractor. It's become more of like a Ferrari. And honestly, I couldn't even contain myself. It was hilarious.
I can go on a roof bud.
All right, kid. Now it's fast enough. I think you better put this on.